Sarah, stop! Wait for me. I am running behind you. Mark, hello. You scared me. I did not see you. Why are you running so fast? You look very tired. I am very late today, Mark. Look at my watch. It is already 9:30. Why are you late? You are usually very early for everything. My phone was dead. It turned off in the night, so my alarm did not ring. I slept until 8:40. I need to go to work right now. Sarah, listen to me. Take a deep breath. It is okay. You are already late. 10 more minutes will not change anything. I don't know, Mark. My boss is very strict. Don't worry. Let's go to the Bluebird Cafe across the street. I will buy you a coffee and a muffin. Really? That is very kind of you. I am a little hungry. I did not eat breakfast. See? You need food. I want a big latte with soy milk and extra sugar. What do you want? I want the same. A big latte with soy milk. And maybe a blueberry muffin? No problem. But Sarah, I have a big favor to ask you. This weekend is very important. What is happening this weekend? I am moving to a new apartment. It is on First Street, but I have too many things, too many boxes. I cannot do it alone. I see. So the coffee and the muffin are for my help? Yes, you caught me. But I will buy you a big dinner too. Do you like Mexican food? I love Mexican food. I want tacos and extra cheese and maybe some guacamole too. It's a deal. Tacos for help.
Sarah, what is this? This box is very heavy. Be careful with that one. It is my old drum set. A drum set? Mark, it is covered in dust. It is very, very old. I know. It is from 15 years ago. I was in a band when I was young. I like music, Sarah. I did not know you were a drummer. But Mark, look at the car. The drum set is too big. We have no space for the chairs and the drums. You are right. The car is very small. Let's move the bookshelf first. Grab that side. Are you ready? Yes, I have it. 1, 2, 3, left. Wait, Sarah, stop. The books are falling out. They are everywhere on the floor. Oh my gosh, Mark, stop. Don't move. My foot is under a big book. Oh, sorry. I didn't see that. Let's put all the books in the brown boxes first. It is safer. Okay. Now my back is hurting. Moving is very hard work. I am very tired, and I am so hungry. Me too. My arms feel like jelly. Should we order food now? We can sit on the floor and eat. Let's get Maria's pizza. It is just around the corner. I want a Caesar salad and a small cheese pizza. Oh no, Mark, I just remembered. Maria's restaurant is old-fashioned. They only take cash, no credit cards. Really? In 2026? I have no cash in my bag. I only have my phone and my card. There is an ATM next to the bank on the corner. Go get some money while I finish this box. Okay. Wait, I can't find my keys. Did you lock the door of the old apartment, Mark? I'm not sure. I was carrying the drums. I think I forgot. Mark, oh my gosh, the door's open? Go back and lock the door now. Run! Hey, Sarah, I am home, finally. The traffic was very bad on First Street. It took me 40 minutes to drive 3 miles.
Hello, Mark. You are back.
What is wrong, Sarah? You are sitting in the dark. Why are you sad?
You said, "I will call you when I get home." I waited and waited, but you did not call. I waited for a long time.
I am so sorry, Sarah. Please don't be angry. I was very exhausted. I sat on the couch for 1 minute, and I fell asleep immediately.
But you promised, Mark. I was worried. I thought maybe you had an accident. I feel like you do not care about my feelings.
I do care about you, Sarah. More than anything. I promise it will not happen again. I will set a reminder on my phone next time.
Okay, I believe you. Let's look at the new terrace. The moon is coming out.
Look at the view, Sarah. You can see the whole park from here. The rent is high, but I think it is worth it.
It is beautiful. And Sarah, I was thinking about the attic upstairs. It is a large room.
The attic? It is very scary and dark up there, Mark. It has so many cobwebs and old spiders.
I know it is dirty now, but we can clean it together. We can paint the walls white.
What for? Why do we need the attic?
It can be your artist studio. You can paint your pictures there. It has a big window with great light.
Really? My own studio? I can teach art classes for the kids in the neighborhood, too. That would be a dream.
Yes, but first, we must fix the water heater. It is very old and makes a loud noise. Sarah, I have another question for you. A very important one.
Yes, Mark? What is it?
We have been together for a long time. Through the good times and the moving days, I am very happy with you.
I am very happy with you too, Mark.
I want to be with you every day. I want to wake up and see your face every morning. Sarah, will you marry me?
Oh, Mark, is this real? Yes, yes, of course. I will marry you. Sarah, wake up. The sun is high in the sky. It is time to go to the mattress store. Oh, Sarah, I am so tired. My eyes are still closed. Can we stay in bed for 5 more minutes? Just 5 minutes. No, Mark. Get up now. Your back hurts every day, remember? You said this morning, my back feels like it is broken. You are right. This old bed is hard. It is like sleeping on a big rock. It is not good for us. Exactly. Let's go to the big mattress store on Main Street. They have a big sale today. Okay. I am up. Let's take the car. I don't want to walk that far. At the store, look at this one, Mark. It is very big. It looks like a cloud. Is it soft, Sarah? I like soft beds. Let me sit on it. Oh, no. Mark, don't fall asleep here. But look, it is too soft. I feel like I am falling into a hole. You are right. It is too soft. What about this one? The sign says, extra firm, best for back pain. Let me try. This is much better.
It feels very strong and supportive. I like the color too. It is very white and clean. How much is it? Let me check the price tag. Oh, it is $500, Sarah. That is expensive for us, but my back needs it, and you need to sleep well too. Let's buy it. Okay, let's pay with the credit card. Can they deliver it today? Yes, the man said they can bring it at 4 o'clock. I am so happy.
Since we are out, let's go to the supermarket. We have no food in the new house. Good idea. What do we need for dinner tonight? I want something special to celebrate our new bed. We need pasta sauce and maybe some ground meat for the sauce. Do we have pasta at home? I think I saw some in a box. Let me think. Yes, we have 2 boxes of spaghetti in the kitchen cupboard, but we have no onions and no garlic. Okay, I will go get the onions and the garlic. You get the meat. Mark, wait, look at these apples. They are very red and very big. They look delicious. Let's buy 6 apples. I like to eat them with peanut butter for breakfast. Do we need milk too? I want to make coffee tomorrow morning. Yes, get 2 cartons of milk and maybe a box of 10 eggs. Where is the bread? I can't find it. It is in aisle 4 next to the birthday cakes. I will go get the brown bread. It is more healthy than the white bread. Okay, I think we have everything. Let's go to the checkout. Wait, I want some chocolate for the movie tonight. Can I get 1 bar of dark chocolate? Ha, only 1. Okay, let's go home and cook.
Mark, the mattress is here, but the house is still a mess. Let's go upstairs to the attic.
Wow, it is so dusty here, Mark. I need to wear a mask.
I know. It is very dark, too. Let me turn on the light. Oh, the light is broken. I will use my phone.
Look at all these boxes. What is in this small blue box?
Oh, look! It is a photo of us from our very first trip to the beach 5 years ago.
Wow! You had very long hair then, Mark. And you look so young.
Yes, and you were wearing that big yellow hat and those funny sunglasses.
I remember that day. It was so hot. And we ate too much ice cream.
Look, here is an old radio under this chair. Does it work?
Let me try. No, it is broken. The buttons are missing.
Should we throw it away? It is just taking up space.
No, don't throw it. Let's keep it. It looks cool. I can paint it and put it in my new art studio.
Oh, okay. I will put it on your table. Look, here is a big mirror.
It is very dirty and gray. Let me clean it with my shirt. There.
Now I can see my face. Hello, Mark. You look tired from cleaning.
Hello, Sarah. You look beautiful today, even with dust on your nose.
Thank you. Let's finish the boxes, then we can sit on the porch and plan the garden. Mark, the kitchen is finally ready. The stove is working. Let's cook our first dinner here. Okay, I am washing my hands with soap now. I am ready to help. What is the first step, Chef Sarah? Can you take the big pot from under the counter? It is next to the sink. I have it. It is very heavy. Do I need to fill it with water? Yes. Fill it with cold water and put it on the stove. Turn the heat to high. The water is on the stove now. I will find the salt. Where is it? It is in the small white jar. I am chopping the onions and the garlic now. Be careful with that knife, Sarah. It is very sharp. I don't want you to hurt your hand. I know, Mark. I am being very slow and very careful. The water is boiling now. Should I put the spaghetti in the pot? Yes. Put it in and set the timer for 10 minutes. I will cook the meat and the sauce in this pan. It smells wonderful in here. I am getting very, very hungry. Me too. Mark, look out the window. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and purple. It is a beautiful view from our new kitchen. I love cooking with you, Sarah. It is fun and quiet. I love it too. Now, let's set the table and eat. After dinner. Wow, I am so full. That was the best dinner. I agree. The sauce was perfect. Now, let's check the house. Did you lock the front door? I will go check. Yes, it is locked tight. And the windows are closed too. Good. Let's go to our new bed. Look at the moon. It is so big and white tonight. It is a very quiet night in the neighborhood. I think I will sleep very well on the new mattress. Good night, Sarah. I love you. Good night, Mark. I love you too. See you in the morning.